Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create and verify your Geegpay account. Okay, so if you're an Amazon KDP publisher, a freelancer, an affiliate marketer, or you do transaction online, a Geegpay account might be very useful to you. Okay, so this is more like Pioneer or PayPal. Okay, but this one has its own uniqueness. That's why I'm bringing it to you. So I'm going to be taking you down to my screen right now, taking you step by step on how to create and verify your Geegpay account or Geegpay account. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through how you can create and verify a Geegpay account. Alright, so a Geegpay account is a very digital financial platform that allows you to create a international card for your transaction. Maybe you're an Amazon KDP expert, or you publish on Amazon, you do freelancing, or you run Facebook ads, or you purchase things online internationally. This will be a best shot for you because you can easily have access to a USA bank account and also a USA card or USD card to perform your international transaction. This is more like Pioneer, PayPal, and other digital financial platform, but this very one has its own uniqueness and it is quite versatile. That's the reason I'm bringing it to you, and you have to have at least more of this in your portfolio, so in case one goes down you have other to rely on. So I'm just going to be walking you through how you can uh, create and verify your account. Though I already have an account with them, but I'm just going to be creating a demo account for tutorial purposes. So as you can see, get paid in minutes, digital financial platform for the gig economy. Create a USD card, GBP and Euro account to receive payment for your gigs. Alright, as you can see, what you are going to do right now is to click on open account. So if you click on the link in the description, you are going to be landing in this page right now. So you just click on open account, you're going to be taken down here. So once you are here, you will see join Geegpay, set up your profile. You are going to input your legal name, your Gmail address, your password, confirm your password. Referral code is optional, so you just do these days. And when you are inputting your password, make sure your password contains this character I'm about to mention: a uh, cap alphabet, or which is a big alphabet, all right, capital letter alphabet, then a small letter alphabet. Example: big letter A and a small letter E, something like that. Then it must contain a number, and it must contain a what we call letters, or we like call it symbols. Okay, symbols like symbols like, let me just show you down here, symbols like lowercase, dash, as you can see, that all these kind of symbols. So your password must contain number one symbols, number, a big letter and a small letter. So your password must have this criterion before you can create an account with them. So just go over and put your full name. So a code will be sent to your Gmail address. Just go over and copy the code and paste it here to submit. Paste it, or if you can't paste it, you just paste it there. Then it's going to process. So it's going to be confirmed when you submit it. Alright, so once you confirm the verification code, you are going to be coming down to your dashboard. As you can see, it's very easy and convenient. It's very easy to create your account with Geegpay. It's very easy. As you can see, we already have our account created, but the thing we have to do is that we have to update our account. As you can see, this platform can offer low facility. We offer salary advance loan, and their exchange rate is quite good compared to other platforms. All right, Pioneer exchange rate is quite very low than this. Okay, but the exchange rate as of the time of recording this video, they are buying at 713 naira per $1, and they are selling at 738 naira per $1, as you can see, which is very okay for me. Okay, so you are, as you can see, easy spending across the world. You can create a card with them, of which you can use to spend across any place you want to buy, because it's a USSD card. So what you are going to do right now is to just let's come over to create a virtual bank account. So once you create a virtual bank account, it's going to ask you to update your profile, of which we are going to do right now. You come to update first before verifying your identity. So once you are here, you're going to select your country. You are from Nigerian. Make sure I'm doing this video from Nigerian. So if you are from any other country, you can select your country. Then you select your state, the state you are from. Then then your street address. You also put the street address you are. Make sure it's your street address. Then your postal code. You put your postal code down here. The postal code is your zip code. You can search it on Google, then you insert it here. You also put your local government, the state you are from, your local government, then you put zip code. Google is going to give you that postal code. Then your occupation, you have, just put it here. If you are a freelancer or any occupation you have, just make sure you put it here. Okay, let me just put freelancer. Then you are going to upload a proof of your address. Now a proof of your address is like a government issued document that indicates your address. This can be your NEPA bill, your ID card, any proof of your document that contain your address. You are going to upload it here, so it must be within the last 3 months. So what you are doing is that you screenshot or you snapped your NEPA bill or any document that contains your real address, because they want to verify if you are real because of robot and other stuff. So you want to make sure you snap your ID card or your NEPA bill, any document that contains your address, then you upload it here so that they can confirm it. They are going to confirm it and they're going to give you feedback. So once you are done with this, once you click on continue, it's going to save. Then you are going to input your date of birth, your time zone, your nationality, which is Nigerian, or any country you are. So you just click on it and you input your date of birth. So you just click on complete. There's going to be saved. So once you are done with that, you just come over. So once you are done with updating your profile, you are going to come over to verifying your identity. You are going to come over to verifying your identity. So you just click on verify your identity. They are going to ask you few questions. So this is what is required of you. Your verification could be rejected by the following reasons: your selfie is blurring, your selfie and image on your ID do not match, we are unable to verify your ID number from the appropriate authorities, your ID has expired, you use a picture instead of a liveness capture, you use a duplicate copy of your ID instead of the original, your age is below the Geegpay approved age, your ID has been tampered with, you have been banned due to your previous activities. Okay, now what you are going to do is that you are going to either use your NIN or your ID card, but the one I use is my NIN because it's very fast. Now once you are on this page, you click on continue. We are going to ask you to uh, take a selfie, so make sure you are in a very bright background or a very place that your face is visible. You don't want to be your face to be blurring so that they can confirm if it's human. So make sure you maintain high contact with your camera and make sure you maintain a very good and clear photo. So once you are done with that, they are going to ask you to snap your ID card. Make sure you snap the front and the back. There's a place that will ask you to snap the front and the back. Then you upload it. Then they are going to verify it for you. And if you're using your NIN, you are not going to be snapping anything. They are going to be asking you to input the NIN number. You are going to just input it and you are going to save it. They will verify it within the next few hours. Your account is going to be completely verified. So once your account is verified, you're going to have your USD bank account right there for you, of which you can use it for your Amazon KDP account payment, and you are going to be having your your US, you're going to be having your card, your USD card for international transaction. You can fund it directly from your Nigeria bank account or from your local bank account if you are from other countries. So you just click on what I'm going to do is use NIN or ID card. So once you are here, as you can see, email verification is completed. Then they are going to ask you. So once you click on NIN, they are going to ask you to select the country, Nigerian. Then you call then NIN slips. Then continue. Click on allow. Then what they are going to do is to request camera access, of which you click on camera access. Then they are going to ask you to snap a photo of yourself. Your head must be in position with this very circle. So you make sure you make sure you are in a bright background and your selfie is well positioned. So I'm not going to do this because I already have an account with them. So once you are done with your ID verification, once it's completed and your document is completed, your account is going to be created. This sending money is going to be approved, and your daily limit is going to be around I think it's $1,000 or $10,000. Okay, so receiving fund is already approved already. So once this ID verification is approved and this document is approved, everything here, this security account is going to be approved. So it's very easy to complete. If you are using your ID card, make sure you take the selfie, then you take the front and the back of the ID card and you verify it. If you're using your NIN slip, you're going to be inputting your NIN number, then you take your selfie, make sure it's on clear background. Then that's how you can verify your Geegpay. It's very easy and very possible. So I'm not doing this because I already have an account with them. Doing this with my ID card or my face is like creating two accounts and might get my other account blocked or something. So I'm not going to do that. So once you follow this procedure, it's very easy and very easy and straightforward or to create and verify your Geegpay account. Okay, I believe this video was very useful to you. If you have any complaint, any issues at all, please do wait to drop it in the comment section. I'll read all my comments and I'll answer to you immediately. So thanks for watching again. I believe you'll find value from this content. If you do, please do wait to hit the subscribe button right now and turn on all bell notifications so YouTube will notify you anytime I drop awesome videos like this to help you make more money online. Make sure the notification bell is up so that you can be notified. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Do wait to like this video, share this video to your friends who are in need of this very video. Share this video to friends and family who you know that may be beneficiary to them. Okay, so do what to like this video so that you too can recommend it to other people who need this video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.